Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today I respond to my viewers who have been wanting me to review a brand new product from SONAX, and it's SONAX Spray and Seal. This is a touchless spray-on sealant. So you're gonna learn everything about it, what it is, what it does. You're gonna see it in action. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you're having a great day. So, as I said, today I'm reviewing the new SONAX Spray and Seal. It's a touchless spray-on sealant, so it's a form of paint protection for your paint that's very, very easy to apply, as you're gonna see later in the video. So essentially, SONAX is a German company and they're makers of very fine car detailing products, including popular polishes that I love, like SONAX EX0406. Now, this is the DA polisher equivalent to the very popular SONAX Perfect Finish. It's a finishing polish, so it has great diminishing abrasives inside there. It's very easy to use, very little dusting, and is going to create a high gloss for your paint before you apply any paint protection item on them. So SONAX, very good company. By the way guys, this video is sponsored by Detailer's Domain, so a big shout out to Philip Yu, the president of Detailer's Domain, for sponsoring this video. Essentially, Philip is a professional detailer in the USA. He's been detailing professionally for over 15 years now and does amazing work. And he also has a website to distribute car detailing products, so make sure you check it out. I'll leave the link in the description under the video. And also, if you live in the tri-state area in the US, so New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut, make sure you check him out if you want your car detailed. He does some awesome work. So now my viewers have recently seen one of my popular reviews about Hydrosilex Recharge. So Hydrosilex Recharge is an easy to apply DIY ceramic sealant that you're gonna basically spray on the vehicle. You buff it off and you get up to 6 months of protection. So this product was very popular, and you can watch my review about the item by clicking the link up here, and I'll also make sure to include the link to that video in the description down below for you guys to check it out. So today you guys have asked me to review one of the Hydrosilex Recharge competitors, which is SONAX Spray and Seal. Now, this is a bit different. It's not a ceramic sealant. This more has a technology that's called Hybrid Polymer Technology. Now, what's cool about the SONAX is that it can be applied over many different surfaces, including if you already have waxes, sealants, or a ceramic coating installed on your paint. This is very versatile, so you can apply this on top of all those coatings. It will give you up to 3 months of protection, so it lasts a bit less longer than Hydrosilex. However, it is slicker to the touch and will be a bit glossier for those of you for whom that's very important. And again, this is very, very easy to apply. You're gonna see it in action later. So this is a wet application, meaning that you apply this when your car is still wet. So after you've done your final rinse, after you're washing your vehicle, well, you go ahead, you spray this liberally on the surface and you rinse away using either your pressure washer or your garden hose, and you rinse away and that's it, boom, you're done. And some of the notes that are also very important, like the majority of the car detailing products, you do not use this on hot surfaces, so make sure that your paintwork is cool to the touch. You do not apply in direct sunlight. What I use this for is as a maintenance product for my ceramic coated vehicles. So as we all know, once you've applied 1 or 2 layers of a ceramic coating, well, over time you need to maintain that coating. So usually every 2 to 3 months, you're going to apply a silica-based spray sealant, or in this case, a hybrid polymer technology sealant like SONAX Spray and Seal. So you're going to apply this on the surface, and this will not only rejuvenate your coating, but boost the hydrophobic effects, add a bit of gloss, and also keep the paint very slick to the touch, which is something that enthusiasts and professionals love. So in the past year or two, spray-on and rinse-off protection has been very popular in the car detailing world. So there's not only Hydrosilex Recharge, but there have been other products that I've used on my channel that pretty much work the same way. So there's G-On Wet Coat, that's also very popular, and there's CarPro Hydro 2, so you get the concentrated version or the ready-to-use version like this one, which is called Hydro 2 Light. By the way, I reviewed the CarPro Hydro 2 in the video if you click the link up here. But essentially, this is another silica spray, ready-to-use wipeless spray-on product. So the main uses for these two bad boys are on ceramic coated cars. So we all know that we try to not mix silica-based products with waxes or sealants, as they don't play well together. So you want to make sure you use these items on cars that are protected by a ceramic coating. But a lot of people out there use paint sealants, or they're going to use carnauba waxes on their car. So if you guys are looking for an alternative and you can still spray on and rinse off and walk away, well, SONAX is perfect for that. Because of its hybrid polymer technology, once again, this is compatible with all types of paint protection items. So again, waxes, sealants, silica products like ceramic coatings or silica spray sealants. Or again, if you have paint protection film on there, you can even use this as a standalone product. So if your car does not have any protection on it, well, go ahead, spray this on, and boom, you'll get at least 2 to 3 months of real world protection on your vehicle. And Philip has tested this extensively on his own vehicles that he has at his shop. And by the way, I'll drop 2 other videos if you want to see the product in action. Check out the links in the description down below. But you'll see Philip use this on a BMW M2 and also as a maintenance protection item on one of the Lamborghini Huracans that has made it at his shop. So again, many uses for this easy to apply touchless spray-on sealant. All right, so guys, I know that you want to see this product in action, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it as a maintenance product on a vehicle that's been protected with 2 layers of ceramic coating and also a top coat recently of Hydro-Silex Recharge, as I wanna see how this guy plays with other coatings on a paint. Essentially, you wash the vehicle and you rinse thoroughly. apply. So you're going to get a lot of the benefits of a paint protection item, such as UV protection, very slick to the touch. You're going to get all the awesome hydrophobic effects, meaning that the water is going to bead off and sheet off the paint extremely well, making the vehicle a lot easier to wash during maintenance washes or future washes. Also, the cool thing, you can spray this on the outer faces of your rims and the inner barrels as well. So this will limit the amount of brake dust that's going to stick to your wheels and make your wheels a lot easier to clean during maintenance washes. So guys, again, you saw how simple it is to use SONAX Spray and Seal. This is an awesome item, so I'm personally vetting for it. It's a great thing. Once again, thanks to Philip over at Detailer's Domain. A big shout out for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. Now again, guys, I'll drop the links to the product in the description down below for you guys to check it out if you want to go ahead and purchase some. And again, if you have used it, let me know in the comment section down below the experience you've had with this item. I hope you enjoyed this video review. As usual, show me your support by smashing the thumbs up button. Also, if you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, so products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So guys, thanks for being there, thanks for watching, and in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.